If you are thinking of creating a website or even several websites, Hostinger offers you powerful hosting, a free domain, and the ability to create a large number of websites. In this video, we will learn about the different subscription plans and what each plan provides in detail. Let's get started. Hosting. We start with the shared hosting plan, which is ideal for beginners or small website owners. This plan comes in 3 levels. Single shared. Hosting. The cheapest option allows hosting only one website with 50 gigabytes SSD storage space and 100 gigabytes of data transfer per month. Suitable for blogs or personal websites. Premium shared. Hosting. The ideal option for growing websites allows hosting unlimited websites with unlimited storage space and several additional benefits such as a free domain for a year. Business shared hosting. Targeted at small businesses, it offers the same benefits as premium plus features such as faster speed and daily backups. 2. VPS hosting. 2 to 245. If you need more powerful resources, you can go for VPS hosting, where you get your own virtual server that gives you higher performance and greater stability. This plan is suitable for sites that need more management and control, such as online stores or large applications. 3. Cloud hosting. 245 to 330. For large projects or sites with high traffic volume, cloud hosting is the best choice. This plan gives you dedicated resources and super fast speed, in addition to advanced protection and security. 4.